everybody. Welcome. You're going to jump in another world from luxury to building distribution.
Yes. Hi, everyone. My name is Théo Marcolini. I'm a sales manager at Neuralk AI. Neuralk AI is a French startup building a foundation model for data science team to accelerate their predictive AI projects. My background, I'm a former data scientist from Amazon Robotics and entrepreneur in data, before it was called AI, and cybersecurity. And today we have Laurence Beauregard. I will let her introduce herself and also explain her topics, and also why predictive AI is important and a topic of matter. Hi, Laurence.
Thank you, Théo. So first, Saint-Gobain Building Distribution France is a distribution branch of the Saint-Gobain Group in France. So we are the nationwide leader in distribution of building materials with more than 2,000 branches on the French territory and 17,000 frontline workers, collaborators in all these branches facing the customer every day. We are maybe better known under our brands, so Point P, La Plateforme du Bâtiment for the generalist ones, and CDO for sanitary heating, for example, so among a few others. And my role myself, I'm a head of transformation, AI transformation for the group, identifying high impact AI levers, growth levers, for the various domains, from credit, finance, supply chain pricing, sales, marketing, etc., and driving the implementation. So we have a team of 15 data scientists, which is supporting that goal, working closely with IT and the business transformation teams also to accompany the change on the field.
Thank you. So tell me more about your AI roadmap and challenges that you have currently, and also how businesses drive your roadmap.
Yeah, we had a kind of a game changer on that topic last year when the XCOM really validated the new technologies and of course AI as a growth lever for the next decade in our transformation program. And that with the view of really driving all our AI use cases by value. Okay, so what we did at the start of the year is actually mapping all our AI initiatives, also with data insights for all the P&Ls from our business units. You know, we did all this real mapping, and we identified 15 high-impact AI use cases on which we want to focus for the next 2 years. And this is covering a variety of domains. So, of course, supply chain pricing, we're already very present with predictive AI for a number of years. But also credit, for example. And we have, the big challenge for us is augmented sales in our branches and how AI is going to transform the daily life of our customers and of our collaborators, of course, tomorrow. And as part of that, so we think very often commercial performance of customer relationship, but the product offer, the quality of the product offer is key as well. And that's where we come to product data quality.
Excellent transition to my next question. So yes, today's topic is about data quality. So Laurence, tell us a little bit more about the challenge around data quality. As you said, you want to drive sales. Sales comes from increasing selection. And so how this relies on a good data quality?
Yes, so data quality, we're talking about 1 million SKU for us, for our core offer only. So here we already have a pain point because the data from the product data comes from our suppliers. So they come in a variety of naming conventions, of product categorization, etc. And we need to actually standardize that. So that's our category managers and PIM product data team who is working on that. And this is a manual process and very time consuming. Second pain point is that the offer, of course, is evolving quite quickly, especially in some domain like heating and air conditioning, for example. So it's difficult to keep the pace. And then there is a whole long tail of products, product offer, an additional 1.5 million SKU, which our salesmen already sell in our branches by calling directly our suppliers, and that we want to expose to our customers. Okay, and working on this, of course, is a big challenge for us, this long tail, because our product data team is not going to enrich and to bring into quality this 1.5 million SKUs. Level of sales per SKU doesn't justify it. Yeah.
Yeah. So imagine increasing your number of references on your website by 4 or 5 times, and have to like categorize and put the right product in the right category is a massive challenge. So you discussed about the pain. So tell me more about the gain.
Yes.
What impact would the automation of product categorization and enrichment would have on your brands?
Yeah, so first, categorization. So when we talk about product data quality, when we think about the user on a website, what does he see? We think automatically of the title, description, the picture. But yeah, and yes, the product family. But actually, the product categorization is really key, because when I talk categorization, is really fine-grained product categorization, the subfamily. When we speak, for example, for our product, we speak about the bathtub support leg. That's a subfamily, or the gas condensing boiler. And why? Because this drives all the key attributes. The color, dimensions, materials, the power for aircon that you expect to see and that you use in your searching criteria. So you expect to see them in title, etc. So everything starts with product categorization, and that's where actually the tabular foundation model can help, of course. And one word, of course, is if the user expects to see it for a search, of course, another one expects to see it, it's Google. And that's where we come to SEO. Big challenges in SEO for us. Some of our websites rely almost 70% of their traffic on SEO. So when you bring 1 million pages online and they are not the right quality, it can be very detrimental, not only for these pages, but for the whole website. On the other side, of course, it's a major opportunity, because if we bring all this offer and this 100,000 million pages indexed by Google on our website, like cdo.fr, then it will bring mechanically traffic and sales, additional sales, even not only on this product, on the whole website. So that's where the challenge is, and that's why we valued it as with very high opportunity for us in there. And that's where we think that Neuralk can help us, because it brings, the consistency and the reliability in this product categorization, what LLM cannot do today. Okay.
Thank you. And so more broadly, so you mentioned increasing selection of your brands, like Point P, CDO, without impacting the SEO scores of your pages. More broadly, how do you see a foundation model dedicated for tabular data and for predictive AI use cases? How do you see it play a role in your organization?
Yeah, on product data, so there is not only what we discussed, there are also lots of use cases on similar product recommendation. So for the user, of course, being able to recommend another product for a collaborator in case of replacement, but also to promote our sustainable offer. You can have come at the end of your basket, you made a selection of products based on technical performance, and maybe there is also a choice that you can make with a better sustainable alternative, which we can push to our customer. Also for refining CO2 footprint data that can be useful, the similar products. So that's on products only. And at SGDBF, we have a whole set of data sets, and customer data sets is another one we want to tackle. So why not use a tabular foundation model on the customer data? But that's another chapter. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we are right on time. Thank you very much, Laurence.
Yeah.
We haven't really discussed much about Neuralk AI, but we have a booth right behind there. It's R3. And yeah, if you have any questions, we'll be glad to answer maybe one or two. I don't know
Do
if
we
have
have
time.
time?
Okay,
We
so
don't have time.
come and say hi. Thank you.
Thank you.